Ooh, epic. Hey guys, this is our water tank, okay? You have seen in the previous video it survived, but in this video it isn't gonna survive, okay? So watch till the end to see this. So here we have our VIP bomb, okay, which is basically a rocket fuel. So let's create a rocket now. Guys, let's see this now. This is gone now. This is still left. Still left. Why? This is so durable. Epic. You should buy it. Buying link in description box. Ooh! Epic! Ooh! Guys, as you can see, our water tank is literally gone now, okay? If you love this video, then press that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates us a lot. Meet you tomorrow in the next experiment. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned, and love you all.